Teddy bear finished his cupcake because he was stuffed. Today we're making chocolate peanut butter cupcakes. All-purpose flour. One more. Next, add cocoa powder. 2 tablespoons and 1/4 cup. 1 cup granulated sugar. 1 teaspoon baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/2 cup of milk. And ready. 1/4 cup oil. 1 egg. Teaspoon vanilla. 1/2 cup coffee. Mix it up. Mix all the fun stuff. We gotta clean this up. Just like this. Fill the cups. Oopsie daisies. Put it in the oven for 20 minutes. Just make peanut butter frosting. 1 cup sugar. Sweet 2 quarter cups peanut butter. I don't know. Mix up your peanut butter frosting. Have a taste and make sure it's good. Yummy. The cupcakes are all done. Yes, add the frosting. They're not ready yet, Milo. But we're ready to put the chocolate middle. Add some crushed peanuts. Look at those tasty cupcakes. I can't wait to try them. Good. No.
Oh no.
Oopsies.
Okay.
It's good thing we have a new egg. No milk.
Same.
1 cup granulated sugar. No Milo. I'll do it again. Well, where can I sit?
You gotta stand.
Well, peanut butter.